Ki khubor ka Batisi TV, lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri Rangba jong ke jela Conrad Sangma ula Pynksan halor ke Jingshah Jied jong Rakesh Newar Sangma kumu Chief Executive Member Batamai jong ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council da ka baong ba ke jing penlong ni ke election ka dei ka balayat kat kum ki kindon jong ke Riti Senshar jong ke Ri India ban ka liang jong ke National People's Party kamshim le don benta AA ban tuklar halor ka kamsany hima sima hapo ke ni ke council jong ke Rilom Garo. Hakajing yakren mat kilat pathai khubor u Conrad Sangma ulaong kani gajing penki win ni ke district council kadai gajing don kti tang de ki katto kat ne teli ki kinhon sang bahalang ki ba persang ban kren persha halor gajing sha je jong Rakesh Newar Sangma kumu chief executive member bathamai ka council.
There are some NGOs, I would say some because other NGOs have backed out. There are many other NGEA, which is the Employee Association, has also backed out. And all of them are now allowing the district council to function. There are few very limited hand-picked NGOs who are still trying to create some kind of situation, and they're trying to raise some issues. And I have been reiterating this again and again that the selection of the CEM has been done in a democratic manner. And there has been no interference from my side or the party's leadership. Therefore, it is democratically elected process, and that's the process that should be followed. And it is the will of the MDCs that will go forward, and they are the ones who have to run the district council. So we try to stay away and not interfere in the overall process. We only try to support in the administrative aspect of running the council, and whatever support we can give from the government side, we try to give, not just to GHADC, but to all the district councils. He has been democratically elected based on the constitutional provisions. So therefore, there is no question of any kind of person following or not following. I think the democratic process in the system has allowed him to contest. And therefore, I think that is an old story. When most of the NGOs now have realized that the government in the district council just recently they cleared 4 months, 5 months salary, just last week itself. I think today they've completed the process. So they realized that this particular new EC is also serious to resolve the issues. So within 1 week of taking over, releasing 4 months, 5 months of salary is a big thing. So really the NGOs also are realizing that this new EC also means business. It looks like the other NGOs who are there are politically motivated, and they are trying to move things in a political manner. This is what it looks like to me.